Hey guys, so guess what? It's vlog time. I know I never vlog. Y'all are always asking me like, Tiff, you should vlog more, you should vlog. But I just be like, vlog what? All I do is work and spend time with my kids. But I figured since I'm actually moving today, yes, I'm finally moving into the apartment I should have moved into a couple of months ago. Real quick backstory, you guys know I moved in November. I moved from my townhouse into an apartment, but the apartment I moved into basically should not have, anyone shouldn't have moved in there. They ended up moving me in like, oh, this is the last 3-bedroom we have open. And I actually didn't see it until the day I moved in. And that's where I messed up. I trusted what, these people told me. Come to find out, there was this horrible smell in one of the rooms and they couldn't figure out how to get rid of it. They bought in ozone layers, professionals, all kind of stuff, but the smell was horrible. So I've just been waiting for another 3-bedroom to come open, and finally today is the day where I can move into my 3-bedroom. So many of you guys asked if I would do like an empty apartment tour. I don't really know why. It's just a little basic apartment, but you guys want to see it and you know how I feel. Ask and you shall receive. I know you guys have heard me say like 2018 is like my year of renewal, my year of restoration. 2018 is going to be my year. Basically, I got divorced last year. Right. So when all of you guys keep asking me those questions like, oh, Tiff, where's your husband? What about your husband? And I never respond. That's why. I'm not really going to go into too much detail. Maybe sometime, I feel like opening up a little bit more. But short story short, I ended up getting divorced at the end of last year. So, this move is like a big deal because it's kind of like me and the kids, like, doing it on our own. So yeah, let's get to this tour. So as soon as you open up the door, the living room is right here. I have a little back porch area. It's not as big as the porch was from the apartment I'm moving to, so I'm a little bummed about that, but this is the living room area. I love the color on the walls. The color on the walls is what drew me in because it matches my living room set. And I also really, really love the floors. So when you walk, again, bam, there's the living room. It's a nice size. I don't know how big it's looking on camera, but it's actually a pretty decent size. So I like that. Let me turn on some lights so you guys can see. As soon as you come from the living room, you walk straight into the dining room. Has a nice little light. And then I really love the sort of railing around the dining room. I like that a lot. And then here's the kitchen. The kitchen is not as big as what I'm used to. I'm definitely gonna have to get used to having a smaller kitchen because, in every townhouse and house we've lived in, I've always had a really nice sized kitchen. But I do like the black and I like the countertops as well. The sink is just a basic sink. You do have a dishwasher. I hate the stovetop. I'm used to having the flat stovetop, the one that doesn't really have like the burners up on it. So I'm gonna have to get used to this because I really, really don't like that. The cabinets they're pretty decent sized cabinets. That's what they look like on the inside. To me, they seem a little old, but I mean, I like the apartment that I'm in. It's in a really nice area. It's close to everything, close to shopping and all that stuff. So, it's okay for now. Again, I really like the black appliances. I love the floors. So this is the dining area, living room, kitchen. I'm downstairs, y'all, and I don't like the fact that you can hear the neighbors upstairs. I'm not used to that. So here is one bedroom. All the walls are the same color pretty much throughout the house. So they all have like that gray or whatever. But here's one bedroom. There's a closet. I don't like these sort of like slide closets. I'm not a fan of those. I like closets you can actually open up. But I mean, whatever. Like I said, for now, just starting over, it'll do. And then in the hallway, you do have a little storage closet. It doesn't have any shelves in it. So I'm thinking of just buying some type of shelving and putting it in here. The apartment I'm moving from, they actually had shelves in that one. So right across from the first bedroom is the bathroom. And I'm just coming from work, which is why I'm looking super tragic. I really like this whole like bathroom vanity, and it's a really nice size mirror. And then there are the lights. It's a shower and a tub, so that's cool. My bathroom and the master bathroom, it actually has the same thing. It's a little bit bigger than this, but they are replacing the mirror. So I don't think I'm going to show you guys my bathroom. But when you walk over here, here is the second bedroom. All kind of just looks the same with nothing in it, but you know, it'll do. And then let me turn on the hallway light. You do have, here is the water heater, so no point in opening that up. And then right next to it is where my washer and my dryer will go. Nothing major. I just hate that everything kind of like slides out. I hate that. And then here is my bedroom. So it is, again, a 3-bedroom. Here's my bedroom. There is no light in my room. Like, where they do that at? But it's a really nice size, though. That's the one thing I love. I don't know if you guys can tell. This room is huge. I have enough room, how I have it set up in the other apartment, to have all my stuff over here. My shelving, my vanity, everything. And then still have room for my bed and all that stuff, my dresser. It does have like a walk-in closet, but I think this closet is smaller. Where is the light? I don't know. This closet is smaller than my other closet, but it just has like the little shelving on both sides. It's a decent size for one person, I mean, you know. And then like I said, in my bathroom, I'm not gonna show it to you guys because they are putting the mirror up. There's the mirror right there. They have to put the mirror up on the vanity, but yeah, this is it.